Hey guys, get ready before and after pictures of the screen recoating. Let's get into it. Facebook, YouTube, happy Tuesday 26th of August. Man, what a beautiful day it is out here. We are in the South County area in St. Louis, and we're doing a client that booked on the spot about a month ago. Came out, did some measurements, looked at her wood profile. She booked an in-home consultation for $75. Came out, did the estimate. She booked on the spot, so we took the $75 off the invoice. And guys, they are excited. We're doing a screen and recoating of their beautiful hardwood floor, and they are ready to get it going. They're excited. They gave us the garage door code. They took off, moved all the furniture out of the area, and I got one of my trainees with me, Chris. He's here again with us doing some training, and we're doing it to it, guys. So again, we're doing a screen and recoating, which is the service right here. And as always, you can follow and watch your videos on all these platforms. Give us a subscribe and a like on YouTube. You'll never miss a video. And of course, follow us on Facebook. You'll be happy that you did. And this is for all homeowners to add value to your home. And also that way, when you sell your home, you ain't got to give a credit away. We are the go-to for counseling people, being a consultant, and educating people how to take care of your flooring and maintain your flooring, as well as your countertops, clean and polishing in your HVAC system to make it clean and hygienic. And also, guys, to keep up to par. Because again, our motto is before you floor it, let us restore it. And if you take care of your floor coverings, which is a big investment, you will create not only a better opportunity for you and your equity in your home, but also it's hygienic, clean, and it will always look great. So that's where we come in, guys, and we love hardwood floors. It's a specialty service, a niche service, if you will. Everybody can do it. We are craftsmen and skilled at what we do. And that's why my good colleague and buddy Chris is training with me to learn the skill for his business out of Troy, Illinois. He's excited for it. This is his last day. And you may see him throughout the process and different jobs we're doing, but he's excited to learn. So this little shout out to Chris and his company, Extreme Clean. So you want to say hi, Chris? He's on the phone there taking care of some business. But you'll see him periodically through the processes as we do it. And again, guys, this is a screen and recoating. As you can see, we got our van all stocked and ready to go. And here's that floor cleaner we recommend if you ever have any kind of hardwood or tile. So let me show you what we're doing. And Chris, come on along, man. I'll show you what we're doing. Beautiful day out here. And we like this kind of temperature. The temperature is perfect for the polyurethane to dry. Put some lights on. So you can see here, guys, this is an on-site finished red oak. As you can see, it has a little bit of wear layer there, a little distressed hardwood. And that's okay, that's common. So we're gonna get this screen down, get the contamination down, as you guys can see. You just have like smears, smudges. It's distressed. It's kind of dull looking, especially through right here. See that, guys? And we're gonna get that all screened down and make it look uniform with our process and protection. And of course, they got this area here. So here, turn some lights on for you guys. Oh, there we go. And again, this is on-site finished. They want to make it all look uniform. Now, I did recommend to make it look perfect, like sand and refinish, but they didn't want to go through the hassle and the expense of being out of house for a week. So they decided for their same day service for a screen and recoating, which that's what we do. It's odorless. There's no odor. There's no sand because we're not taking off any wood. We're only taking off the clear coat, and it revives the hardwood to make it look improved. And they were perfectly okay with that. You can just see there's a little distress there, which is common. And we're gonna put some more lighting here so we can see, but you can just see here, I'll just do a close up here in the camera, how it's just kind of dull in spots, especially right here, which is the high traffic area. And we're gonna screen it down and make it look uniform so it all blends. So they're extremely excited. Again, this is if you have this kind of floor, which is on site, which means the boards are closer together, and pre-finish has bevels. So this is on site. And if you just want your floors revived, especially right through there, a screen recoating is a great option to revive your hardwood floors. And this is gonna revive it in terms of how long, typically 3 to 5 years, okay? Depends on your shop footprint, even longer than that if it's just 2 people and you actually, maintain your floors by vacuuming it regularly, mopping accordingly, with a neutral cleaner and getting your floors maybe buffed every other year, which is another maintenance service, just to clean and buff your floors. But this is a screen recoating process, great to extend the life of your floors so you never have to sand your floors. So we do recommend this every 3 to 5 years. You can even go 7 years depending on how you treat your floors. But yeah, guys, this is a great option. So only three and a quarter square foot. You can't beat it with the premium protection and peace of mind and longevity. So, all right, guys. So we got everything removed, everything taped off, everything prepped. We got Chris putting down the product now, and to get the floor prepped, it's called clean and prep, and we're softening it up and get ready for screening. All right, guys, we're screening this now. It's going good. We got Chris over there edging, as you guys can see. And we're getting a good cut. All right, guys, little update. We're doing good. We got Chris getting some training on the machine, screening the floor, and we got all the surface scratches out. We got getting a good cut, and guys, it's going so good. He is excited. And next, we're gonna do the other room. We're gonna palm sand and get it going as well. So, yes, sir, it's going good. Ayo, let's go. Gorgeous day, guys. Again, we're in South County, Missouri, doing a client that booked on the spot about a month ago for a screen recoating. And we got Chris on the scene. He's training with us today, showing him the ropes. Everything's stocked up, ready to go. Everything's set up here. Good. Okay. Perfect, perfect. We already screened this down, as you can see. Now Chris is screening this down. He's getting the hang of it. What do you think, Chris? You like it? Awesome. Perfect, perfect. Getting a good cut. All right, guys, things are going well. As you can see, the client did move all the furniture. We also network with a movie company called Sunrise out of St. Louis, Missouri, and they also move furniture as well. They have all the tools, the belts, the equipment to move it safely and effectively. So if they move everything back, it won't scratch your brand new hardwood. So we always advise utilizing our partner that we have, that we network with. Otherwise, you can elect do yourself. In this case, I believe they hired Sunrise Movie to come out and take care of it on their behalf, so they can come back after we're done and put everything back tomorrow. So they did do that, offer that service as a convenience. So that is something that that we can provide you with if you elect to do a service with AOCleaning for care and restoration. So a little tip of the day: Chris is finishing up now, tacking the floor. Then we're gonna water pop it, and then all is well. This floor is gonna turn out phenomenal. Again, they like to go with the screen recoating instead of a full sand because they want their floors to look improved. So, and again, we also give them our complimentary bottle of wood floor and neutral cleaner, good for tile and hardwood, as well as aftercare instructions. All right, guys. Hey, let's go. All right, guys, we just got done finishing up. We tacked the floors, water popped it. Chris already tacked it, and we're ready for the first coat of polyurethane. Okay. Guys, that is the first coat. We'll be back in 2 hours to put the second coat. This will flash off to a satin sheen and look very beautiful. Alrighty, stay tuned.
Pillowcases came, Mama.
Yeah, you guys are gonna. I can't wait, guys, to see the first grand look. First look. Wow, guys. Beautiful.
Wow.
Yeah, it's way better.
And
Way better.
isn't that amazing?
Oh my gosh. It's fabulous.
This is what we'd hoped it would have looked like the first time.
Initially, yeah. It never looked this nice.
No.
Thank you. I appreciate
Now
that.
it looks wet. Is it wet or is it?
It's
not?
because of the it's still drying right there a little bit because I got my lights on it. That's just reflecting the sheen.
Okay.
It is dry through here. Yes.
And then another.
Hey guys, Ryan here, AOCleaning, Hardwood Floor and Restoration. We are in the South County area and we're with our fine clients, Larry and Elaine. And guys, they hired our company to take care of their beautiful hardwood floors. And guys, they love the floors. But don't take my word for it. They want to speak to the overall experience because they are very excited. Without further ado, guys, take it away.
I want to thank Chris and Ryan for doing these floors, making them look better now than they were originally.
Yeah, I would have to agree that they look better than they were when they were first installed. Did a great job.
Awesome. Well, guys, appreciate that feedback. That lets other homeowners know what they can expect with our company. And again, enjoy your beautiful floors.
Thank you very much.